There you are, you lovely lot. I've got a strictly British vocabulary word to share with you today. Actually, it's an idiom, one that will make you laugh. It sure did me when I heard it talking about a friend. It's bit of fluff. Bit of fluff. We can also say a bit of skirt, or also we can say a bit of stuff. Maybe by now you've guessed what I'm talking about. So this idiom, guys, you use it when you're referring to an attractive woman. Generally, you're talking about a guy. So, use this verb in an example sentence. Where's Mark? He's out with his latest bit of fluff. Where's Mark? He's out with his latest bit of fluff. I'll leave a link up there and in the description for the rest of our nutty British words and idioms, phrases, expressions, all sorts of silly things we say. Alright, my lovelies, thanks for your time and attention. Leave a comment, leave some love, some thumbs up. See you next time. Bye.